Now, if anybody's got any problems on a Vauxhall Grandland with the washers, if I can get up in here, it starts, you're going to need to get all the glove box out, pull this down. Okay, it starts with the blue plug, see that blue plug in the back there? The pink and the blue, far left hand side, pins 8 and 16, comes from there at the body control unit as a, when it's stationary, when it's not being used, they're both earth. Obviously when you operate the switch, one becomes live, the other becomes earth, and when you operate the rear washer, the other one becomes live. They swap over. Okay, so that's the pink and blue. That goes from there into the wiring loom. Whoa, and it goes up to this yellow plug. Okay, so there's your yellow plug. Okay, that's the pink and the blue. Through that yellow plug comes out as a yellow, red and black, into the wheel arch. From the wheel arch, it comes down to the pump, okay, into this plug, which is mounted right up behind here. So you're going to have to get the wheel off, you're going to have to get the plastic surround off just to get to it, okay, and the bottle is right up in there, okay. What you should have, obviously, is when you operate it forward, that becomes live, that's earth, and when you go to the rear washer, that's live and that's earth. Okay, this particular one had no washer, and it was this in here, the connectors were too loose, they were too wide apart. This is a new pump, they plugged a new pump in, still didn't go, and it's because those terminals were too loose. Okay, you need to just put a screwdriver in and just tighten those terminals. Okay, thank you for watching.